Hi everybody, Amber Warren here, PA at Functional Medicine Foundations. We're going to visit a little bit more about peptides today and how we're currently using those in our practice. We consider peptides as just a way to add on to somebody's lifestyle modification or foundational protocol to help the body become more optimal at what it's trying to do. So we're using peptides to just give our patients that extra edge, whether they need that extra edge in the gym to help optimize exercise protocols, whether they need that extra edge at home to help be the best parent that they can be, the best spouse they can be, to have energy to get through all their tasks during the day, whether they need help with just brain health, to be the best version of themselves in the office and get through their long work day and just have optimal brain performance throughout the day. Lots of different ways that we're using peptides, lots of different ways that we're looking to optimize health, especially as we age. I'm probably most impressed with peptides because most peptides don't just do one thing. We can cover a lot of different symptoms or ailments or health goals with one or two peptides. We don't have to go layer on 13, 14 different peptides, kind of like we do with supplements sometimes. Be really targeted with just a very minimal amount of peptides. Most peptides are injectable. There are some peptides that come in intranasal or oral forms, but we do find the injectable versions are usually the most effective for our patient population.